Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to another episode of Life with Marion and Joe and our continuation of our Christmas 2022 series. If you haven't been following along, right now I am in the entrance foyer. I just did the railing. If you didn't catch that video, please check it out. I did a different approach on how I usually do the railing. And I'm just about to start the main tree. But before that, I was just doing a little bit of a craft thingy today. And it's a really little thing because I'm not a crafty kind of person. But the original thought for the foyer was going to be "Twas the Night Before Christmas," and I was going to use a lot of that. If you caught my peppermint room, the table runner, I did a table runner, and it says, while visions of sugar plums dance in their heads," because I was going to be using a lot of "Twas the Night Before Christmas." It didn't work out because I ran out of time. I don't know what happened this year. But anyway, I'm doing a little bit of it right now. So what I did was I went online and I found "Twas the Night Before Christmas," and I found a page that I liked and I wanted to print it out. And guess what? We're out of color ink in our printer as well. So I had to do it in black and white. So I printed it in black and white, and then what I did was, this is really old school. I went back with a marker and I just went over some of the words in green, some of the words in red, and some of the words in black. I'm holding it like that because it's wet. Then I put white glue on it, and of course I covered it in sprinkles. So I found two quotes. That one: "'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there." So that's one of them. I'm going to frame that, and I'm going to put it over on the side where I have two sconces on the wall. I'm going to put them up there. I have that one, and I also printed out, "May you never be too grown up to search the skies on Christmas Eve." So those two Christmas quotes I'm going to have up on the wall. Now, what I'm going to do with you right now is I'm going to create a book that has a Christmas tree in it, so it kind of like ties that little section together. The first thing you're going to need is a repurposed book, or book that you no longer want. Or I know this is a touchy subject because a lot of people go crazy when you do this, but this was a book from the Dollar Tree that I really didn't care about, and I only picked it because it was red. So what you want to do is you want to have a book that is around 200 pages or so, and the tree will be best if it's takes between 60 and 100 pages or so, like that. This book happens to be 289 pages. So what I did was I found the center point, which is 144.5. So between 144 and 145. And then, ouch, I had to push it all the way back like that. I'm sorry, but we had to flatten the book out. So let me just fix the cap. Okay, so you want to start at the upper right-hand corner, right? You're going to bring it down and make this crease right here, right? Then you're going to take it right here, and you're going to bring it all the way in like this, and then crease this side down. Now what happens is you have this piece hanging here. So now what you do is you turn the page like this, right? And then you take this, fold it again, and then tuck it inside the page like that, okay? And then you have one. Let's try another one, okay? So that's one. I'm going to, thank God I didn't do what I wanted to do. I wanted to make about 20 of these. Anyway, I'll start in the summer. So you have to start up here, right? One page. Bring it to the center like that, right? Crease it down, okay? Now this is the part that's little, right here. You grab here and you pull it down, okay? And then you're gonna crease this like this, all right? And then you have this little tail again. So you flip this page over, crease it again, crease it like this, and then this tail you want to fold up like that, and then there's a little like envelope here, and you stick that inside the book, and there you go. There's 2 pages. All right, so I'll meet you on the other side of 60 pages. Okay, so I did 60 pages. I went 30 to the right and 30 to the left, and this is what it looks like. See that? So there's a tree right in the middle of the book, so you can display it like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this tree. I'm squinting, looking. I'm going to paint this tree with some watered down acrylic paint. Let's see how that looks. So I know some of you are thinking, was it difficult to do? No, just that first page is difficult because you just have to figure out how to do the fold. But once you do that, it's okay. And then your hands just get dry from the paper. You can use, a stick like the edge of a ruler, also like a tongue depressor stick to help you fold the pages. And obviously you could make it more if you want. This is fine for me. Remember, I'm going to use it, but it's kind of like a test subject for me right now. I'm going to use this paint right here, which is actually, this is from the Dollar Tree, and I had it. It's washable. I think it's really for cloth, but it's very watery, so I think it's going to be good for this. So I'm going to, before I show you, I'm going to test it out though. Okay, so I added a little bit of water to the paint. I just wanted it really watery, okay? And now I'm just going to begin brushing it on this, like this, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I'll show you when I'm done with the green. Okay, so now once you get it to this stage, you can do whatever you want. I've seen people, glue ornaments on here and put a star up here and whatnot. Me, you see what I did. I just put some Mod Podge on here and glitter to make it look, because I like that, mystical fantasy look. So that's how I'm doing my book, but you can do it any way you want. So I'll show you where I'm going to put it in 1 second. Okay, everybody, thanks for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, subscribe. It's free. Comment, like, share, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow. I'm working on that big tree. Bye-bye.